Hi, this is Chris 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Shell battery. It's a 10,000 milliamp power bank with an excellent 20 watts of power. That is power delivery through the USB-C port right here. Comes with two QuickCharge out USB-A ports and a microUSB charging port for the battery itself, but the USB-C port does in and out charging. So you get that on the top, and then on the side you get the power button. So there's the power button. It shows it has 67% battery life left. It comes with a USB-C cable as well, and we're going to head and start charging this iPhone. I'm going to use this Apple cable right here, plug it into either of the USB-A ports. There we go. I'll plug in the lightning port right here on the bottom of the iPhone. Okay, and now we're going to turn on the battery. And there we go. It is now charging the iPhone, and it shows on the battery what percentage is left to charge. You can charge multiple devices with this one battery at the same time, and they also offer a 20,000 milliamp battery that does 30 watts of power from the USB-C port. So if you want to charge it a little bit slower, you can do it from the USB-A port, but you can also charge this iPhone 10 through the USB-C port at full speed. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.